Samsung set to launch the next-generation Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Samsung is gearing up to introduce its latest addition to the Galaxy A series with the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. This upcoming smartphone is set to succeed the Galaxy A14 5G, which made its debut just a few months ago in May. The Geekbench benchmark database has recently revealed key details about the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. The device, with the model number SMA156B, achieved an impressive score of 664 points in the single-core test and 1717 points in the multi-core test. These results indicate that the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G will pack a powerful octa-core processor, with 2 performance cores clocked at 2.20 GHz and 6 efficiency cores with a peak frequency of 2.0 GHz. According to the listing, it is likely that the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G will be equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus SoC. This processor, announced in July and built on TSMC's 6nm process, delivers exceptional performance along with its integrated Mali G57 GPU. The benchmark leak also suggests that the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G will come with 4 GB of RAM. However, Samsung may offer the handset in other memory configurations as well, catering to different user preferences. Additionally, the listing reveals that the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G will come preloaded with the latest version of Android 14, along with Samsung's own One UI software. This combination promises a seamless and user-friendly experience for consumers. With a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display and a 90Hz refresh rate, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is expected to provide an immersive viewing experience. The smartphone is also rumored to feature a 13MP front camera and a versatile rear camera setup, including a 50MP primary camera, a 5MP sensor, a 2MP shooter, and an LED flash. Furthermore, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G will be powered by a robust 5000 mAh battery with support for 25 watts fast charging. This ensures that users can stay connected and enjoy all the features of this device without worrying about frequent recharging. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G promises to be a noteworthy addition to the popular Galaxy A series, combining powerful performance, an impressive camera system, and a long-lasting battery. Samsung enthusiasts and smartphone users alike are eagerly awaiting its official launch in the coming months. 1. When will Samsung launch the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G? Samsung is expected to launch the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G in the coming months. Stay tuned for official announcements from Samsung. 2. What processor will power the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G? Based on the Geekbench listing, it is speculated that the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G will be powered with a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus SoC. 3. How much RAM will the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G have? According to the benchmark leak, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G will come with 4 GB of RAM. However, Samsung may offer the handset in other memory configurations as well. 4. What software will the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G run? The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G will come preloaded with the latest version of Android 14, along with Samsung's own One UI software.